Hey Coasties, hope you've been well. Check out this ecosystem right in the middle of California State University, Dominguez Hills. Right across that building over there, which I believe is the innovation and instructional building. That one right up there. And the James Welch building is right over there. And the university's union station, student union is right there. But yeah, they got this nice natural courtyard right here. A lot of events going on. This is a Saturday. Got professional seminars occurring in that building right there. You've got college fairs going on there, and that's where you can hear the music. But yeah, what a beautiful courtyard slash ecosystem. In fact, one of the things I would recommend for you guys to do if you make your way here to Cal State Dominguez Hills, which is adjacent to the city of Carson, California, is they got an art exhibit. Let me sit down here for a bit. Umbrella, Adirondack chairs. Yeah, they got a art exhibit in their art gallery, and the title is oops, sorry about that, someone coming by. Brackish water at the university's art gallery. So if you're into a hybrid exhibition between nature and multimedia, this brackish water exhibit is for you. And what is brackish water? Well, brackish water, to my understanding, is water that meets between fresh water and salt water. And they got different art exhibits that represent that theme and the human condition. In fact, one of the exhibits there, which was quite interesting, I think it was titled, I'm going to have to use this as a cheat sheet. It was titled, give me a second here. Portable wetland for Southern California. You can actually, they have these tonal sounds going on in the background while these natural California native plants are, potted and actually in water. And in some way, shape, or form, the tonal sounds are creating frequencies and emitted so that it acts as both an antibacterial agent and plant growth catalyst. Again, art meeting nature. But anyways, yeah, check it out, and just relaxing here until probably around 1 o'clock. I'm gonna head on back, attending a seminar here, and just did a little stroll around the campus. It's been a long time since I've been in this campus. I got my master's degree here back in the day, and it has changed quite a bit from the late 1990s. Quite a bit, and actually for the better. It's quite a beautiful campus, very good for the community here of Dominguez Hills. Anyways, that's just for now. Coming you from Cal State University, Dominguez Hills. in this nice courtyard area here, just relaxing above the greens. Ta-ta for now. Don't forget, come again.